right, so the first application is on this side. We are using the Hydro Slick by Chemical Guys. So we're gonna go and we're gonna remove the coat, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of some water on it. Alright guys, we're going to apply the Chemical Guys Tire Shine, Extra Shiny Tire Shine Gel. What you do is you put it on your applicator, your squirts, get it in the treads, all the way around the tire.
Oh, look how fancy.
Off to the next tire. Do those squirts. We will show you guys when it's dry what it looks like. This stuff's not supposed to fling and all that. This is my first time using Chemical Guys, so we will have to see. And boom! To the Indy 500. This makes it pop, man.
You missed that crack over there.
Yep, we'll get it. Here we go. Now if you get any more excess that drips down, wipe it off your rim. That's about it, and we'll be back to show you guys what it looks like when it's dry.
Hey friends, look, we cleaned up the Jeep. His name is Chester, like the Cheetos. And we used all these nice products from Chemical Guys. And this is why I bought it, because look at the pretty blue, which is the Hydro Slick wax. We have the Mr. Pink little soap. And we have the Honeydew Snow Foam, which I can't wait to use because it's going to snow. We use the Tire Shine. We have Diablo Wheel Cleaner, which we didn't get to use because we ran it through a car wash, which was half off for the day. I love deals. And we have the Total Interior Cleaner, which we used. Worked amazing. had to use Rain-X because somebody wouldn't let me buy the glass cleaner because we said we didn't need it, so we used Rain-X, which is fine. It worked. It works. Last but not least, we're gonna spray the Pina Colada spray in here, and it's gonna smell amazing.